Hey everyone, so welcome to my playlist on questions that one can expect in a math interview. So today we are going to discuss the sequence of questions related to continuity and differentiability. So let's start with the basic question. Give me an example of a function which is continuous. Well, that's obvious. You take f of x equal to x square and you can say that yes, x square is a continuous function. Good. Now he will ask you second question. Give an example of a function which is differentiable. Well, you can stick with this. This is differential as well because the derivative is 2x. Great. So first two questions are answered. Now comes the connectivity. Give an example of a function which is continuous but not differentiable. Well, that's also a very standard example which you see in your junior college. So which is nothing but f of x equal to mod x. And we know that at 0 it is not differentiable. Now why this is not differentiable at 0? Because of this corner point. If you want to see the proof, I have recorded one lecture on this. You can find the link in the description. So you can take mod x, it is not differentiable at 0. Okay, so this is a function which is not differentiable. Okay, now comes the main thing. Now he will change the gear. Now he will ask you, give an example of a function, or does there exist a function? See, this was not at all differentiable. So can you give a function which is once differentiable but not twice? Okay, so that means what? Your f is a function whose derivative exists, f dash exists, but this f dash is not differentiable. That means what? You cannot find the double derivative. So in other phrase, give an example of a function which is once differentiable but not twice. Okay, so for that we can modify your mod x function. If you take your f of x as x mod x, my claim is this is once differentiable. So let's try to find the derivative of this. Now what is this function? This is nothing but, let me split as x less than 0 and x greater equal 0. When x is negative, your mod x is minus x, so this is minus x square. When x is greater equal 0, your mod x is x only, so this is x square. What is the derivative? Minus 2x and 2x for x less than 0, for x greater than 0. What about 0? Now is this differentiable at 0? It is. Why? Because as you approach 0 from left hand side, this is minus 2x. So when you put 0, this becomes 0, and your right hand limit is also 0 when you put x equal to 0. So therefore, for f dash this exists. That means what? Your function is differentiable. And if you want to write this nicely, this is nothing but 2 into mod x. Because for x negative, minus x, for x positive it is x. So minus and x is nothing but mod x. So your f dash is nothing but 2 mod x. What is 2 mod x? You just shrink mod x little bit. You get 2 mod x. And again the same thing, you have mod x is not differentiable at 0, therefore 2 mod x is not differentiable at 0, right? So therefore this function is differentiable once, you can find its derivative once, but the derivative is not again differentiable. Okay, so this is an example of a function which is once differentiable but not twice. Okay, cool. So let me write down this sequence of functions. Okay, so what was the first thing? Example of a function which is not differentiable. So we took mod x. Example of a function which is once differentiable but not twice. Means f dash exists but this f double dash does not exist. Obviously the third question. Can you give an example of a function which is twice differentiable but not thrice? Means if you have a function f, is f dash and f double dash exist but f triple dash does not exist. Well, you have to simply modify this. You take x square mod x, because how you can split this? You can split this as minus x cube and x cube for x less equal 0, for x greater equal 0. What is the derivative? When you find the derivative, minus 3x square and 3x square, and we can write this as 3x mod x. You write x square as x into x square as x into x. So 1x you keep here, and 1 minus x and 1 plus x you make it as mod x. So this is the derivative. So it's once differentiable. What you can find the derivative. As we saw earlier, derivative of x mod x is 2 mod x. So 3 into 2. 6 mod x. Great. So we found f, we had f, we found f dash, we found f double dash. Now can we find f triple dash? No, because this is not differentiable at 0. So this is twice differentiable. But now if I ask you find the derivative of this, can you find the derivative of this function? No. Why? Because mod x is not differentiable. So this is an example of a function which is twice differentiable but not thrice. You can find f double dash. F double dash of 0 is 0. But if I ask you what is f triple dash of 0, you can't see me because it does not exist. So like this, the series goes on. Twice differentiable but not thrice. X cube mod x. Thrice differentiable but not 4 times. X raised to 4 mod x and so on. So some people directly ask you, can you give an example of a function which is n times differentiable but not n plus 1 times? N plus 1th derivative does not exist. Yes, you can give them x raised to n mod x. So this is a function which is differentiable n times but its n plus 1th derivative does not exist. Okay, so these are the family of functions which will help you to answer the question of a kind which is once differentiable but not twice, or twice differentiable but not thrice, thrice but not 4 times, and so on. If you know any other family of functions which satisfies this criteria, then please do comment in the comment section. Thank you.